An easy way to start learning your carb values is to look at food labels. You will need to look for the total carb value, not the of which sugars. If the food comes in a multi-pack, the nutritional information may be on the outer packaging rather than the individual portion. The label may list the carb value per portion and state the portion is, for example, the whole packet for one slice or one biscuit. Some labels will only tell you the carbs per 100 gram. If you would like to eat more or less than this, you will need to do a calculation. Let's practice this. Using digital weighing scales, switch the scales on. Place a plate or bowl on the scales and press the 0 button. The scales will now show 0 grams rather than the weight of the plate or bowl. Add the food and the scales will now tell you the weight of the portion. Find the carbs per 100 gram and divide this number by 100. This is the amount of carbs in 1 gram of the food. Then multiply the amount of carbs in 1 gram by the weight of your portion. This will give you the total carbs. Books and apps are available to help you work out the carb content of the food. Carbs and Cows is a resource that shows you photographs of different portion sizes along with the weight of the food and carb value of each portion. Find the picture that matches the portion you want to eat. Weigh out that portion and use the carb value listed. If you have worked out the carb value of your portion and the portion fills a favourite cup or bowl, then the next time you can measure out your serving using the cup or bowl without the need to weigh. If the item is split into several portions, it is best to work out the carbs in the whole food item and then divide by the number of portions. For example, you may want to eat a pizza that is going to be split into 6 portions. The food label tells you that there is 30 grams of carbs per 100 grams and that the pizza weighs 300 grams. To work out the carb value of the whole pizza, divide 30 grams by 100, which gives you the carbs in 1 gram. Then multiply by 300 to give you the total carbs in the whole pizza. Next divide by 6, which is the number of portions. So in this example, each slice contains 15 grams of carbs.